The Supreme Court has ruled against Hawaii in Wolford v. Lopez, striking down a common-sense gun safety law. This was a law about carrying guns in private property open to the public, that's places like grocery stores and coffee shops. Now, everybody in the case agreed that the decision is ultimately up to the private property owner. If they want guns or they don't want guns, they say that, and that's the rule. What Hawaii's law did was to address a situation where the property owner hasn't said yet what they want the rule to be, and it presumed the guns were not allowed. Now, the Supreme Court has struck down that law, and it's a disappointing decision, but it's also important to know what the case was not about. First, Hawaii property owners still have the absolute right to prohibit guns from their property by putting up a sign. Second, this case was not about sensitive places laws, which prohibit guns from places like schools and government buildings. It's also important that the lower courts have rejected the vast majority of challenges to gun safety laws under the history and tradition test. And what the gun lobby was hoping for is a blockbuster decision to reverse their losses on issues like assault weapons. That wasn't this case. They also didn't get that in the Hawai'i case, where the Supreme Court emphasized that its decision was narrow. Robust regulation of firearms is deeply woven into our nation's history and tradition, and we will keep fighting in the courts to keep our communities safe.